Hi, and welcome to Unit 35 here at 25 Pride Avenue. I'm standing in the Madrona Village complex here in central Nanaimo. This offering today is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, self-contained condo at a very affordable price. This unit starts under $300,000 at $279,000. This is located on a bus route, walking distance to shopping, and this cool little boutique complex also has its own outdoor pool. So in the summertime, you've got somewhere where you can refresh, hang out by the pool, and get to know your neighbors. If you've been looking for a super affordable option where the cost of ownership costs less than what you're probably paying in rent right now, I encourage you to come check out Unit 35 at 25 Pride Avenue. I'm John Cooper with the John Cooper Real Estate Group. To arrange a showing or a full information package, reach out to our team at coopergroup.ca. We are ready when you are.